commodity on the island was the Stroudley Terrier. Presumably, these little engines got their nickname because they had a loud bark, were small, and seemed to scurry everywhere. This scene is at a new station created in 1991, Smallbrook Junction. A small part of the old island railway network survives, as the Isle of Wight steam railway based at Havenstreet. Here we see a terrier which had an interesting history. It was built by the London, Brighton and South Coast Railway in 1877, sold to the London and South